Hello everyone, this is my second video, and in this video I am going to talk about the differences between physical and chemical properties. So physical versus chemical properties. um, any change which is a physical change will be a part of physical properties, and these properties can be observed or measured without changing the substance's identity. Examples are changing the color of a substance, density, melting point, and boiling point, etc. If you freeze water, it will become ice, and that will be a physical change because it's still water. If you increase the temperature of the ice container, ice will melt and it will become water. And if you increase the temperature even more, this water will start to bubble and it will become steam. So all these changes, this is ice and this is liquid water and this is steam. These are physical changes. You can reverse it. For example, if you reduce the temperature of this steam, it can go back to the liquid state. And if you reduce the temperature even more, it can become ice cubes. So that is why it is physical change. And what is chemical change or chemical properties? So you can describe a substance's ability to undergo a chemical change by studying the chemical properties. For example, reactivity with acids. If acids and bases react, that change will be permanent, and acids and base reacts and gives you salt, and that happens by the chemical permanent change. Acid base will give you salt and water, and you get this salt due to the chemical change by the reaction that happens between acid and base. Another example would be oxidation or rusting. So when you see iron or any other metals being rustic, that change is permanent because that happens due to the oxidation or reaction with the oxygen from the environment on the surface of the metal, and that rust is a chemical change. It's a chemical property. And another example would be burning wood. If you burn woods, it will turn into ashes and smoke, and that change is permanent and it's a chemical change. So these are the differences between physical and chemical properties. Any physical change is a change that happens without changing the identity of the substance, but in any chemical change you are changing the actual identity of the initial substances or chemicals. So that's why it's called chemical change or a permanent change. Thank you.